let's see how do you set up the lab for this. So what you would be doing basically is the workstation. You already have WSA Appliance, so I'll just start WSA. So basically, see, basically you get OVF file.
Yes.
So you just directly click on this.
Directly.
Yeah. So when you click on this, it goes on creating a new machine, give a name, and say import. That's it. That's all you need to do. Give a name here and say import.
Yes.
You would find the machine here.
Okay. So
Yeah, let it get installed. Once it gets installed, the part is to link it. Okay, for linking, what you do is you click on edit, click on virtual network editor, click on this. Okay, then what you do is you would see interfaces like this, VM adapters. Okay, basically you would see VMnet 0, 1 and 8 initially. Here 2, 3, 4 are the custom one what I have created. And how do you create this? Just click on add network. Click on add network, VM5, okay. So one more will get created, VM5. And for VM5, make sure you select host only and uncheck this one. Uncheck this, make sure it's host only and say okay. Apply, okay. That's it.
what is this level for?
Don't worry about the address. Make sure you click on add network, click create an adapter. That adapter is of type host only and connect host virtual adapter to this network. DHCP server should be unchecked. Apply, okay. Fine. Then you go to your WSA or device, whatever VM devices you are creating. Right click, go to settings, and under network adapter, make sure you select this thing custom, and from custom select the one you have created, like VM5, 6, whatever you have created. Fine, that's how you link. Okay, now how WSA and the adapter is linked, I'll tell you. Let me just log in here. Admin. Show config is the command. So now when you see the config, I want you to see this. See, the management interface of WSA has got IP as 10.11.11.32. That's the IP of management interface. Okay, the management interface of this VM machine, that's WSA, is linked to which adapter? It's linked to VMnet 4. Okay, so if from your PC, which is basically this PC, from this PC, if you want to talk to that WSA in the VM, the link between your PC and the VM is that adapter, whichever you have linked. So here for this device, what we have linked? We have linked VMnet 4. So your VMnet 4 adapter, which is available on your PC here, should be on the same subnet. That's what you need. So I have kept VMnet 4 on the same subnet like WSA. WSA is on 10.11.11. So I have kept VMnet 4 on the same subnet, 10.11.11 subnet. That's it. So WSA is talking through this one. Okay. So now this is the reason. This is how I can integrate the VM devices in the GNS. That's it. So when I have to integrate them in GNS,
so that is your PC, huh? We have a WSA in VMware, and we have also a
maybe 5 months.
okay. So this is a topology. how you integrate it is you take a cloud from here. Okay, so what I have done basically is I have taken the cloud. Let's say like this, take a cloud, right click, configure. Let's say you want to integrate WSA in the GNS. So go to VMware. Do you know which adapter WSA is using? It's using VMnet 4, isn't it? So in GNS, under this cloud, make sure here you add VMnet 4. Add, that's it. So now this cloud is nothing but VMnet 4. VMnet 4 is connected to WSA. Similarly, to add these PCs to the GNS, I have done the same thing. VMnet 2, VMnet 3, VMnet 4, VMnet 8. All VM machines I have integrated with GNS. That's how you integrate them. Right? And then you make the connection. That's it.
So I want to add something. If I want to configure a PC, a cloud.
Let's see if the topology is up. Router config. Let's check. No, it's not up. I'll just configure this. So as I told you, we already had the configuration file ready, isn't it? So I just copy paste the config. That's done. And your DNS configuration, we had some more. IP host, facebook.com, cnn.com, hashtabtv.com. Do you know any gaming website? Gaming website. ESPN. There's a sports website, isn't it? ESPN.com, right? There is one, Crick Info, that I know. And some, that's it. That's R1. So okay, let me configure remaining also. This is R2. And the firewall. So this is firewall, access list, out ACL, permit ICMP any2, knee access group, out ACL, incoming direction or interface outside. That's the ACL. My testing or my verification would be from these PCs. I should be able to ping this router. That's my verification, what I'm going to do. So first comes my admin PC. Wherein basically I should be able to ping my gateway, which is 10.11.11.10. There you go. Ping WSA. Ping mgmt.wsa.cci There you go. Fine. So basically I can ping 110.120.2. This should basically work. I believe. Okay. For timing, let's I think it's because of WSA. I'll fix this. Client PC. This is 20.60, so should be able to ping 20. That's the gateway. 20.10. Let's try this. Ping 172.16 20.10. That's the gateway pinging, right? And ping 10.11.11.10. There you go. Perfect. Is he able to ping outside 172.6? Not 110.120.2. No. We need to remake the connection on the outside. No issues. And finally, this PC right here. Close. Ping 172.16.10. Fine. So everywhere you have connectivity. That's perfect.
6 GB RAM तक नहीं चलेगा सर इसमें.
Only problem is on this segment. So for testing this, I would preferably go to firewall, and I would say ping 110.120.2. I don't get any response, right? So this is because I had saved this topology and I'm taking it back because of GNS. Okay, so a saved topology, when I'm bringing it for the network, so it's not working. What I'll do is I'll stop the firewall and I'll restart this. So I just stop the firewall, remove this connection because I need to remake this connection. So come here, come to manual, click on E2, connect this and restart the firewall. This would fix your problem. Fine. So having done this, so we are basically done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the admin PC, and like we do, I say HTTPS this time, let's say, to mgmt.wsa. Port number is 844. You get the page. Okay, preferably while doing this is recommended in the real-time network, HTTPS. Okay, but when you're doing on GNS or for the lab or to understand the technology, I would recommend you to use HTTP only. Why? Because HTTP is faster. Okay, so we use HTTP. Port is 8080 and I will just make it HTTP. Fine. Login admin. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change the settings what we had done. Yes, we had changed last time around. Okay, or let's do it with the same thing. So right now it's in explicit forwarding mode. Okay, how do I get to know? Go to system, go to configuration file, web proxy is enabled, and web proxy is in forwarding mode, not in transparent mode. Fine, not in transparent redirection. So this is same. In terms of your web policies and all, it's gonna be same, because with your clients they already have the proxy set up to the WSA. So let's check the browsers on the clients. Let's check on this one as well. Where do we go? To tools. Okay, hang on for a minute. Let's just check whether we have connectivity here, or else we will need to restart everything. That's what I don't want. Config T, host name. Okay, I'll just get the config. Fine. So in this case, the pings which were not working before from the client PC, like we had tried here, are going fine. Fine. In fact, you should see the names being resolved. Let's say ping www.facebook.com, the names gets resolved. Fine. So the configs are exactly in place. So next part we'll see the implementations of WSA, different implementations like URL filtering and all those things.